How did you get into this?
Actually about 15 years ago, I started volunteering here for community service hours, just for confirmation.
Yeah.
And I loved it. I
That's
started
cool.
learning, and then I took a break. I went into the Navy for about a decade, and
Oh,
then
wow.
came back.
Awesome.
Say again?
Where are you confirmed?
Where?
Yeah.
St. Veronica's Church in Hell.
Oh, I've been there before, yeah.
We were just down in Williamsburg over the weekend, and they were making, the blacksmith was cranking out nails.
Yeah, that's actually a very good beginner project.
Really?
I was training a new blacksmith over the weekend, and the first thing I had to do was crank out nails.
Yeah.
Because you will learn more from making nails, as boring as it seems.
Yeah, there's a couple, I think there's a couple over here.
You'll learn more from making nails than anything else. There's one right here.
That's nice.
The process of making nails is pretty easy, actually. You take a piece just like I have in there, you draw it out so it fits through this jig, and then you chop it about that far away from it, and you use a ball peen hammer to smack the end of it and round it over, kind of like that. That's how nails are made. That was. All of it.
Yeah. Shoot, it's recorded. How can I stick
Very
it?
interesting, especially things from this era.